After personally struggling with Excel freezing when working in particular areas and trying countless solutions, I finally found several effective ways to solve this problem, and I am excited to share them with you right now. Many people need to fix Excel crashing within specific cell range issues to keep their work smooth. Our first approach tackles those hidden temporary files. Think of Excel like a busy desk. Over time, it collects lots of old notes and drafts. These old, forgotten files can get in the way, especially when you are trying to work on one part of your spreadsheet. Clearing them out removes clutter that causes Excel to stumble and crash. Next, we look at add-ins. These are like little helper programs you can plug into Excel. While many are useful, some can be old or poorly made. When Excel tries to do something complex in a certain cell range, an add-in might conflict with Excel's main tasks. This conflict can make Excel simply give up. Turning them off helps Excel run smoothly without any extra interference. Our third step involves updating Excel. Just like apps on your phone get updates, Excel gets them too. These updates often fix small mistakes or bugs that were making Excel crash. An older version might have a known problem that causes it to fail when dealing with specific groups of cells. Getting the latest update gives Excel fresh, more reliable instructions. Finally, we consider repairing the Office program itself. Imagine Excel as a set of building blocks. Sometimes a few of those blocks can get damaged or go missing. When Excel tries to use a broken block to handle data in a certain cell range, it cannot complete the task and crashes. Repairing the installation replaces any damaged blocks with new, strong ones, making Excel complete and stable for all your work.